Welcome to Mentally Healthy. We're so glad you're here. Today, we're showcasing our new book, Mentally Healthy, Mind Over Matter, a comprehensive companion guide to mental wellness. Within this book, together, we will discover the secrets to effectively managing stress and anxiety, building strong, healthy relationships, practicing self-care and cultivating resilience, incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your daily life, understanding common mental health conditions and how to manage them, and lastly, seeking professional assistance and locating the appropriate resources for your specific needs. Our book is available in several formats, which includes Kindle and ebook formats, paperback, and hardcover. Pick up your copy today. And now, today's feature.
Let's take a moment to relax and breathe. Today, we're going to learn and explore Meditation for Beginners, a guide to mental wellness. In a world of constant movement, finding stillness might seem impossible. The noise of everyday life can be deafening, leaving us yearning for a moment of peace. Yet, amid the din, a timeless solution beckons: meditation. Many centuries ago, lived a wise hermit in the heart of the Himalayas. Despite the harsh, unforgiving conditions, the hermit found profound peace in his solitude, spending his days in deep meditation. Villagers from nearby settlements, upon meeting him, were always amazed by his tranquility and sense of fulfillment. His serene demeanor was infectious, and soon, they too sought the wisdom of silence. But meditation is not a mystical practice reserved for hermits and monks. It's a scientifically backed method of calming the mind and fostering mental wellness. Sound interesting? Let's find out how this works. Join us as we explore today's video, Meditation for Beginners, a guide to mental wellness. If you're ready, let's get started. The origin of meditation. The practice of meditation dates back thousands of years. The earliest documented records indicating meditation's central role in spiritual and religious practices come from the Hindu traditions of Vedantism around 1500 BCE. The Indian scriptures, known as the Vedas, contain detailed descriptions of meditation practices, showcasing its prominence in spiritual growth and enlightenment. From India, the practice spread to other cultures and regions. Buddhism, originating in the 6th century BCE, played a significant role in spreading the practice of meditation, with Gautama Buddha's teachings highlighting it as a path to end suffering and attain enlightenment. Fast forward to the 20th century, and meditation began to pique the interest of the Western world. A critical moment in this journey was in the 1960s and 70s when Dr. Herbert Benson, a Harvard physician, began studying a form of Indian meditation known as transcendental meditation. His research, published in the early 70s, was groundbreaking. He discovered that meditation could induce what he termed the relaxation response, a physiological response that reduces the activity of the sympathetic nervous system, responsible for the fight or flight reaction. Dr. Benson's research marked the entry of meditation into the scientific arena. His work showed that this ancient practice had tangible, measurable benefits, paving the way for a burgeoning field of research into the effects of meditation. Another key figure in this journey was Dr. John Kabat-Zinn, who in 1979 developed the Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction (MBSR) program at the University of Massachusetts Medical School. This program, combining mindfulness meditation and yoga, has been studied extensively and is used worldwide to support people dealing with stress, anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. So, the practice of meditation, known for centuries to spiritual seekers, found its way into the corridors of modern science, confirming what ancient traditions had always advocated: the transformative power of turning inwards. From the spiritual enclaves of ancient India to the cutting-edge labs of Harvard and beyond, the journey of meditation is a testament to the enduring quest for inner peace and mental wellness. It's a testament to the universal human aspiration for understanding the mind and mastering its waves. Starting your journey. Tracing the rich history of meditation gives us a deep appreciation for this age-old practice. From its spiritual roots to its scientific validation, meditation has proven its resilience and adaptability across time, cultures, and civilizations. But with such a profound history and an array of practices, you may be wondering, how does one start this journey? You're not alone. Meditation, for all its simplicity, can seem daunting to beginners. But here's the good news. At its core, meditation is about attention and awareness. It's about being present, here and now. And this is something everyone can learn and practice. In fact, you might be surprised to learn that you've already started. By watching this video, by showing the curiosity to learn about meditation, you've already taken the first step. Now, let's guide you through the next few. We have distilled the essence of meditation into 3 simple, yet impactful steps that can help you kickstart your journey. These steps are based on millennia-old wisdom, as well as modern scientific understanding. Let's explore them in detail. First step. Create a calm space. Our first step towards embracing meditation goes beyond simply finding a quiet corner in your home. It involves creating an environment that inspires tranquility and helps you disconnect from the external world. Remember, your calm space is personal. It should appeal to your senses and make you feel at ease. Consider incorporating elements of nature, which, according to a study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology, can reduce stress and induce a feeling of relaxation. A potted plant, a view of your garden, or even nature-inspired decor can do wonders. What about sound? Soft, ambient sounds or silence, depending on what you prefer, can aid your focus. You can use headphones to minimize external noise or play relaxing music or nature sounds. A 2017 study published in the Public Library of Science demonstrated that nature sounds are associated with a decrease in the body's sympathetic response, which is responsible for the fight or flight feeling, and an increase in parasympathetic response, the rest-digest feeling. And let's not forget about comfort. Choose a spot where you can sit comfortably for an extended period. You might want to use a cushion, a meditation stool, or even a chair. The goal is to maintain an alert yet comfortable posture. Lastly, consider the lighting. Dimmed lighting often promotes relaxation by decreasing alertness, according to research from the Lighting Research Center in Troy, New York. However, this is your journey, and your calm space should reflect you. Be it a corner by the window where the morning light streams in, a balcony with a view of the sunset, or a cozy nook with a softly flickering candle, it's about creating a haven where your mind can find stillness. So, don't underestimate the importance of creating your calm space. It is the first physical step in your journey towards mental wellness through meditation. Step 2. Focus on your breath. Now that we've created our calm space, let's move on to the next essential step in our meditative journey. At first glance, this might seem too simple. After all, breathing is something we do naturally, without thought. But it's in this simplicity that the power of meditation lies. When meditating, the breath serves as an anchor to the present moment, to the here and now. By focusing on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body, you create a focal point that helps you to quiet the mind. You can start by taking a few deep breaths, feeling your lungs expand as they fill with air and contract as the air is released. Once you're comfortable, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Your task is not to control or alter your breath but simply to observe it. A study published in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience in 2018 showed that focusing on the breath during meditation can help reduce mind wandering and enhance emotional well-being. It helps shift your attention away from the constant chatter in your mind, promoting a sense of calmness. You might notice that as you sit there, your mind tends to wander. That's completely normal. The practice isn't about preventing your mind from wandering but about acknowledging when it does and gently guiding it back to your breath. Remember, this is a non-judgmental practice. If you find your thoughts drifting to the grocery list or the meeting tomorrow, don't scold yourself. Instead, gently acknowledge the thought and then guide your attention back to your breath, like a feather landing softly back onto the ground. As you consistently practice focusing on your breath, you might notice subtle changes in your breathing, in your body, and in your overall state of mind. This awareness, or mindfulness, is a stepping stone to greater self-understanding and emotional balance. So, focusing on your breath, far from being mundane, is a powerful practice that helps anchor your mind, reduce its tendency to wander, and foster emotional wellness. Step 3. Be consistent. For our third and equally important but final step on the journey of meditation, we look within for consistency. If you've ever learned a new skill or a musical instrument, or even committed to a fitness routine, you know that consistent practice is crucial for progress. And the same holds true for meditation. Consistency in meditation is less about the duration and more about the regularity of your practice. Even if you meditate for just a few minutes each day, if you do it regularly, you're more likely to reap its benefits than if you meditate for long periods irregularly. A 2012 study published in the journal Brain, Behavior, and Immunity found that consistent daily meditation led to more pronounced positive effects on the brain and the immune system than sporadic practice. So, how do you cultivate consistency? One helpful strategy is to incorporate meditation into your existing routine. Maybe you could meditate for a few minutes after waking up, before bed, or even during a lunch break. Next, set a reminder to meditate until it becomes a habit. There are numerous meditation apps that offer this feature. And don't forget, your meditation practice doesn't need to be lengthy. Even a few minutes spent in mindful breathing can make a significant difference. Also, don't be discouraged by the occasional missed session. Consistency isn't about perfection, but about gently and persistently returning to the practice, just as you gently return your focus to the breath during meditation. And finally, tracking your progress can be a great motivator. Record your daily practice and note down any changes you observe in your mental state. This can give you a tangible sense of the benefits of your consistent efforts. Finally, just remember, when it comes to meditation, consistency is the key. It is the regularity of practice that trains your mind to find calm and focus, making meditation an integral part of your journey towards mental wellness. The path forward. Now that we've navigated the beginnings of your meditation journey together, you may be wondering, what's next? How can I integrate these steps into my daily life? Let's explore a path forward to ensure you can confidently continue this journey into mindfulness and mental wellness. Plan your practice. Starting tomorrow, set aside a few minutes each day for meditation. Remember, it doesn't have to be long, even 5 minutes can make a significant difference. Determine a time that works best for you, maybe it's in the morning to set a calm tone for your day, or in the evening to wind down. Prepare your space. Identify a calm space in your home where you feel comfortable and at ease. This could be a quiet corner of your room, near a window, or even in your garden. Consider adding elements that soothe you, like a soft cushion, ambient music, or calming scents. Implement a breath focus routine. As you sit down to meditate, remember the focus is on your breath. Start with a few deep breaths to relax your body, then let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Notice the sensation of your breath flowing in and out. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Track your progress. Consider maintaining a meditation journal. Note down how long you meditated, any challenges you faced, and changes you observe in your mood and mental state. This record keeping can serve as a motivation and a way to witness your progress. Seek guidance. As you continue this journey, you might find it beneficial to seek more guidance. Consider exploring guided meditations available online, or joining a local meditation group. Stay patient and consistent. Remember, meditation is a practice. Some days will be easier than others. What matters most is your commitment to show up for yourself each day, regardless of how successful you perceive the session to be. In the days ahead, you might find your mind wandering frequently, or you might face challenges in staying consistent. Remember, this is all part of the process. Meditation is less about silencing the mind and more about becoming aware of what's happening in the present moment, without judgment. This path forward is your bridge from understanding to implementation, from learning to practicing. As you walk this path, remember the words of the ancient philosopher Lao Tzu: a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and you've already taken that step today. We hope this guide serves as a helpful companion as you explore the transformative practice of meditation. Here's to your journey toward mental wellness. This concludes our video on the Meditation for Beginners, a guide to mental wellness treatment. Let's make this journey interactive and foster a community of mindfulness. We encourage you to engage with us, share your experiences, and ask questions. Here are a few questions to get us started. Why are you interested in meditation? Understanding your motivation can make your practice more meaningful and consistent. Do you have any previous experience with meditation? Share your experiences, whether you found it helpful, challenging, or anything in between. What are the challenges you face when trying to meditate? Is it finding time, quieting your mind, or maintaining a consistent routine? We'd love to hear your thoughts and perhaps offer some advice. How do you create your calm space for meditation? Do you have a favorite spot or any special elements like candles, nature sounds, or a particular cushion that you use? Have you noticed any changes since you started meditating? Maybe you're more focused, or you feel less stressed, or perhaps you've noticed changes that are harder to pinpoint. Every experience is valid and unique. We want to hear your story. Please share your answers in the comments section below. Your insights could be invaluable to others on a similar journey. Also, if you have any questions about meditation, don't hesitate to ask. We are here to support each other on this journey towards mental wellness. Finally, and most importantly, if you or someone you know are struggling with mental wellness, please know they need not struggle alone, as help is always available. Finding a therapist to talk with might be a next step. Your friends here at Mentally Healthy support the American Psychological Association for finding a good therapist and ensuring you work with a qualified professional who has background and expertise that will benefit you and your specific needs. We are not affiliated with that organization and receive no special compensation for recommending them. We just recognize the importance of finding qualified professionals to help us when help is needed. Another great resource is also available for those that can take advantage of it. For all our viewers that reside in the United States, a hotline is available to act as an immediate response lifeline center for all suicide and crisis events. Just call or text the number 988, local rates may apply, to immediately be placed in touch with someone you can talk to. If you are a U.S. veteran or military service member, you may text the U.S. Veterans Crisis Line directly at 838-255. Both of these resources will also be placed in the description area of this video. Use these trusted resources as needed.
Well, that's all for today. Thanks so much for joining us at Mentally Healthy. If you've enjoyed our video, please like it, and consider subscribing to our channel, as we have lots of great new content in store for you. Subscribing, liking, and clicking the notification bell keeps you connected to us, and truly helps our channel grow. Here's a few other great videos from our channel you can visit right now. Until next time, stay mentally healthy.